Hello, good evening. My name is Lance Leo, and this is the fourth day of our Turkey tour adventure. And this is our hotel. Yan po ang ating hotel for tonight. Just only one night. Check out namin bukas. Ayan po ang ating hotel. Wala na po tayo sa Istanbul. Nasa hirap na mga street ang mga state nila dito. So we travel from Istanbul to get here. It's about 6 hours na driving. Ayan po ang ating hotel. Alright. Thank you and have a nice day.